How to make money by working less. Create content that will keep on giving. There are many ways to build your business by working less and making more. You can create a blog, write a book, or even develop an online course. Or if you're skilled at writing code or designing websites, consider creating a podcast or ebook to showcase your talent. Whatever it is, make sure you're passionate about it. When you're passionate about something, it doesn't feel like work and time goes by quickly. Try to create something that showcases your skills and gives people insight into how others can reach your level. For example, when you make an online course, you only have to create it once. It may take hard work to organize everything you need, but once it's done, you just have to focus on promoting it. You can keep it simple and run ads to push people towards it. If it draws enough attention, people will want to buy it. Don't let your side hustle run you. Don't let yourself be defined by what others might think about what you do for money. Remember that there are various ways for people to earn income beyond just having a job. It's easy to let the hustle culture get in your head. Whenever you jump on social media, you can see successful influencers driving their nice cars or taking their families on incredible vacations. Your goal is to work less and make more money. The way you're going to do that is to run your side hustle. Don't let your side hustle run you. The best way to do this is to create systems that will help you run your company. We'll talk about this later in the video. Outsource to save money and time. If you have a lot of work and don't want to spend all of your time doing it, outsourcing is the way. You can pay someone else to take care of things for you so that you don't have to. Outsourcing saves money because it lets people skilled in what they do get paid for their work while allowing people who aren't capable to focus on other things they excel at. When selecting an outsourcer, ensure they're qualified for what needs to be done. If possible, find someone with experience as an entrepreneur or freelancer already. If not, ask them about their experience working with clients and how many hours per week or day will be needed from them to get what's desired out of this partnership. Lastly, consider whether those numbers align with yours before moving forward. Ask yourself other questions like, how much should I pay? How often should I communicate with my outsourcer? How will I know if they're doing a good job without being there? What happens when something goes wrong? These are all questions that need answering before making any commitments, so make sure both parties know exactly what's expected from each other before signing anything important like contracts. Create a product once and sell it over and over. The way to create a product once and sell it over and over is by creating something already out there. Apple is a perfect example of this. They take existing things, refine them, and sell them as their own. They see what people want that other companies aren't providing, and they capitalize on this. You can do this too. For example, if you're a writer and want to make money from your blog, you can write an ebook or create a video course on all the things you know about blogging. The best way to find out what products are already out there would be to search on Google or Amazon using keywords related to what you're looking for. For example, what should I write my ebook on? Or how do I make money with my blog? Or start a Google search for ebooks about and see what Google's results come up with. These are highly searched terms. You can create content about those and sell them on your blog page. Once the book is made, the orders just come in and fill themselves. Use social media to gain customers and leads. Social media is excellent for you and your business to reach new customers, gain leads, and build your brand. These platforms can provide you with the opportunity to connect with potential customers on a personal level. You can learn more about their interests and needs by engaging in conversation with people who follow you on social media. This will allow you to understand better how best to serve them by providing relevant information tailored specifically for them. Use the gig economy wisely to scale up your work. What is the gig economy? If you're not sure what the gig economy is, it's a new way of making money by doing short-term projects. Essentially, it's working as an independent contractor. These gigs can be anything from freelance writing, designing, or coding to driving for Uber and Lyft or delivering pizza. You can also find opportunities on sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Check out local businesses that might need help with their marketing efforts. i.e. Facebook ads, such as your local doctor's office or coffee shop. Try posting a flyer at your place of worship, local library, or cafes. Look through Craigslist and other online job boards to see what opportunities are available in your area. Reach out directly via email to companies that may be hiring freelancers within your field of expertise. Search for freelance jobs through platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Whatever you do, make sure that you're finding gigs that you'll be able to scale down, save time, make money, and work less. Run ads. Google AdSense, Facebook ads, and other social media ads can help you make money when you're not working. Here's how. First, run Google AdSense ads on your website or blog to attract clients and increase sales. You get paid by advertisers when people click on their ads or buy what the ad offers. The more clicks you get, the more money you make. This works exceptionally well if you have a small following already, like people who follow your company or brand. Secondly, use Facebook ads for lead generation and social media marketing to grow your following organically over time, as well as with paid advertising campaigns that promote a specific product or service directly from within Facebook. You can also advertise your website directly from within Facebook, but this might not be the best practice because it doesn't give users a chance to visit other websites where they may spend more money than just clicking through from there directly onto yours without any additional effort required on their part. As you start your side hustle, the more important thing to remember is that you shouldn't let yourself get bogged down by the work. It's not about how much money you make, but how much time you spend making it. If you keep this in mind, finding ways to scale up your business so it can run on its own will be easier than ever.